Use all fingers of both hands alternately to pull up along the lower jawline. When using rotating fingers, pay attention that all 4 fingers must exert force upwards. After rotating on the front, reverse rotate from behind. After finger rotation, use thumbs and fish border areas to relax the masseter muscle region, preventing masseters from becoming too big. Then cross all 10 fingers to decompress the face. Line 1. Alternate hands to pull the entire jawline up to the temples. One hand slides from in front of the ear to behind. Then do stroking techniques down the neck and shoulder. Line 2. Alternate hands to pull from mouth corners up to the temples, also going from in front of ears around to behind ears and stroking down. Line 3. Pull the entire apple muscle region, also pull up to the temples, then stroke down. Line 4. Use scissor hands to pull the entire eye region. Alternate scissor hands to pull up to the outer eye corners, which is the temple area. Then stroke down from in front of ears around behind. Line 5. Palms face down to pull the entire forehead region. Also pull up to the temples. Stroke down from front of ears around behind.
Facial nose bridge and brow muscle relaxation technique. The first step, use both the middle and ring fingers to lift and stretch the entire nasal bridge area. The second step, slide back and forth at the point between your eyebrows to relax. The third step, circle around the entire eye, lifting the brow muscle area. And then press on the temples. Chin technique quadrilogy. The first step, interlace all 10 fingers and lift from the chin to the earlobe area. The second step, alternate hands to lift the entire chin area. The third step, bend your 4 fingers to grip along the jawline, lifting from the chin to the earlobe. The fourth step, use the power of your thumbs and the base of your palm to lift the entire jawline area. Eye technique quadrilogy. The first step, lift the lower eyelid towards the outer corner of the eye. The second step, use a scissor hands gesture to lift around the upper and lower eye area. The third step, use the beauty finger to move up and down in a Z pattern. The fourth step, lightly jog with the beauty fingers, lifting from the inner to outer corners of the eyes, continuing upwards to lift the brow muscle, and then lifting the entire forehead area. Each movement should be repeated 3 to 5 times.
4 Seasons Back Massage. Stay refreshed all year round. Sharing this essential oil back massage technique with everyone. First, evenly spread the massage oil on the back. For spreading the oil, we can do it 2 to 3 times. Include the waist and shoulders, press the shoulders, and lift at Feng Qi and Feng Fu points. Step 1. Thumb press on the trapezius muscle. Step 2. Fist hold and use knuckle kneading for strengthening. Step 3. Thumb press directly along the governor vessel, from top to bottom, ending at the waist. Inch press for strengthening. Step 4. Press along the left side of the bladder meridian. Returning to the waist. Press along the right side of the bladder meridian. Returning to the waist. Step 5. Press along both sides of the scapular seam. Press firmly. Step 6. Fist hold and use knuckle kneading across the entire back. Direct press from top to bottom. Inch press for strengthening. Finish by rubbing up to the waist for warmth. Have you learned this home back massage? Armpit Massage Technique, Part 1. Action 1. Place the base of both palms facing downwards. Alternate in soothing and relaxing the entire armpit area. Action 2. Divide the armpit area into 3 lines. First, massage along the middle line. Then, massage the 2 lines on the left and right. When massaging, push from the inside out. Action 3. Knead and rub the entire armpit area. Action 4. Use the knuckles to push into the armpit area, pushing from the inside out. Action 5. Use the hollow of our palm to pat and relax the armpit. Armpit Massage Technique, Part 2. Step 1. Use both thumbs to stimulate the Jawline acupoint located in the armpit. Then push towards the elbow. Step 2. With the base of both palms facing downwards, make a large soothing motion to relax. Step 3. Using the base of our palms, press and rub the entire armpit area. Move from the armpit towards the elbow, massaging and relaxing. Step 4. Join both thumbs together. Use the knuckles to push. Step 5. Use both thumbs to horizontally massage the entire armpit area. Step 6. Soothe and relax for a moment. Use our elbows to massage the entire armpit area. Perform a soothing and relaxing motion. Experiencing arm soreness and heaviness from too much housework? Follow me for some relaxation techniques. Begin just below the collarbone. Use the base of your palm to press and knead. Continue all the way to the elbow. Alternate both palms to rub and push upwards along the forearm. Use the base of your palm to rub and knead the great fish border area. Use your thumbs to push and knead the back of the hand, moving towards both sides. Finally, press down on your wrists. Give it a try.
Looking for a natural way to support your digestive system and enhance your overall well-being? Regular abdominal massage can offer a range of surprising benefits. Your abdomen plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions, containing key energy channels closely linked to digestion, metabolism, and waste elimination. By focusing on supporting this important area, you can encourage improved circulation and promote the natural flow of energy and fluids within your body. This can lead to enhanced nutrient absorption, more effective waste removal, and may also play a valuable role in supporting a healthy metabolism. It's a gentle and convenient way to promote better digestive health and overall comfort from the comfort of your own home. Did you know your feet hold the key to whole body wellness? Massaging specific zones improves facial blood flow, reduces eye strain, and supports spinal flexibility. The chest area stimulation enhances oxygen circulation while joint points maintain mobility. Lymph zone activation naturally boosts immune response, and targeted pressure relieves headache tension. Pro tip: daily 10-minute sessions maximize these benefits.